to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with, of course, another wig review. So today's wig, as y'all can see, is this like ginger / orange wig, okay? And I did receive this wig off of Amazon. I believe the store is called WIG, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig. But they reached out to me and asked me to review this wig. Originally, I was going to get this wig professionally installed, but I decided not to because I have another wig that I actually want to get professionally installed. And y'all know I'm not too good with installing wigs on my own. It's kind of a hit or miss. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. And today I was not. So I did film me installing it, but I'm probably not going to insert that into this video. I will probably just insert showing you guys how the wig looks and all that stuff as far as the cap construction and you know how the wig looked before I installed it. But anywho, if you are interested in hearing about this wig, then keep watching.
And watch it blow up, blow up. Tell me, how you gonna see it now? So far from sincere,
I love you.
Fabrications in my ear drive me so far up the wall. I come sliding down. What is this I see?
I don't believe
you
this.
Don't come home to me. Well, you don't come home to me. I can't deal, can't bear.
I won't.
You keep telling me lies, but you're surprised. Look, I hope you're happy since you're caught out there.
Yeah, you've been caught. Yo, come on.
Yo,
Come on.
I hate you so much right now. 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 She's so raunchy, so vulgar. Not me, why the hell her? Look, she dresses,
Look at her.
a mess. What do you see?
I don't know.
It's not all about cash.
Hell
no. Know how much you flash. How I dress is a reflection of me. What is this I see? You don't come home to me. Well, you don't come home to me. Can't deal, can't bear.
Told you I
You
won't.
keep telling me lies, but you're surprised. Look, I got something for y'all since you're caught out there. I hate you so much right now. 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 I hate you so much right now.
break. You know what I'm saying? So this is how it goes, yo. Psst. Damn. Yo.
Last year, Valentine's Day, you would warmly say, babe, I love you, love you.
Yo, he's
babe,
lying.
I swear. Held you when you were sick, even the whole time I think to myself, this isn't fair. What is this I see?
No.
You don't come home to me.
Oh, no.
When you don't come home to me.
Man.
Can't deal, can't bear. You keep telling me lies, but to your surprise, look, I found her red coat and your bitch gone out there. I hate you so much right now. 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 So sick of your games. I'll set your truck to flames and watch it blow up, blow up. Tell me, how you gonna see it now? So far from sincere.
I love you.
Fabrications in my ear drive me so far up the wall. I come sliding down. What is this I see?
I don't believe
you
this.
don't come home to me. When you don't come home to me, I can't deal, can't bear.
I won't.
You keep telling me lies, but to your surprise, look, I hope you're happy since you're caught out there.
Yeah, you've been caught.
Yo,
Yo, come on.
yo, 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 yo.
Come on.
Yo, 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 yo. I hate you so much right now. 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 I hate you so much right now.
She's so
Raunchy, so vulgar. Not me, why the hell her? Look, she dresses.
Look at her.
A mess. What do you see?
I don't know.
It's not all about cash.
Hell no.
Know how much you flash. How I dress is a reflection of me. What is this I see? You don't come home to me. When you don't come home to me, can't deal, can't bear.
Told you I
You
won't.
keep telling me lies, but to your surprise, look, I got something for y'all since you're caught out there. I hate you so much right now. 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 I hate you so much right now.
So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig does have 4 combs. Yeah, it does. This wig does have 4 combs. It has 2 right here, 1 in the center, and it has 1 in the back. Now, this wig was a lace front wig, so it had the lace front all across here. Then it had the lace in the back, and it also had an adjustable strap. So again, this wig is from What Is on Amazon. This is their burnt orange wavy lace front 13x4 human hair wig. They said it's pre-plucked with baby hairs. I didn't pay attention to any of that. It did look pre-plucked though. The length that I got is 16 inches and it retails for $150.99 on Amazon. So again, it's a 13x4 human hair lace front wig. The color is orange/ginger. The lace type is a Swiss lace front. Lace size is a 13x4 inch part. Hair lengths that they have 16 inches to 22 inches. Density is 150%. The cap size is a medium cap size, 22.5 inches with adjustable strap. Lace color is a medium brown, and the knots are a natural pre-plucked hairline with lightly bleached knots to avoid shedding. Now, I did get some shedding from this wig because I had to cut the wig, you know, around the ear and somewhere else. So once you cut the hair, it is gonna shed a little bit. So I did get some shedding. It's originally a middle part, but I made it into a side parts. And yeah, I'm not too happy about this installment, but I'm doing it for this video. So I did put a little powder on the lace where you see it, and a little bit in the part as well. Kind of did my baby hairs, all that. Now, as y'all saw, before I brushed the hair out, it was really pretty as far as the curls. It still has the curls. Over here, I was attempting to put the curls. I was gonna start putting the curls back, you know, more into the hair, but I was trying to do the curl with my flat iron, and my flat iron said no today. So I gave up. Normally when my hair is not up to par for me when it comes to these wigs and I want to curl it or something, I end up not being in the mood anymore. So, but the wig still has, you know, a couple of waves to it, so that's really nice. So as far as the color, I love the color. My hair color, I've kind of had this hair color before, but it was slightly darker, and right now my hair is kind of the same but slightly darker. But I do love ginger hair. I think the color ginger or orange on black women looks amazing. Absolutely love it. So the color is nice. As far as the lace front, it was a 13x4. That is good. It gave me enough room to do a curve side part, so that is really good. Just next time that I have to install my own wig, I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I did a long time ago and cut the lace before I install it. Sometimes that works best for me, sometimes it doesn't. The whole installing wigs still for me is trial and error, okay? I think one of my first wigs that I installed on my channel, I did a very good job. After that, it was like a done deal. But I'm here to learn, so as time goes by, I'll probably get better. We'll see, I don't know. But the length is nice as well, 16 inches. So yeah, I really do like it. The hair is nice and soft as well. Very soft. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it and hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig, as far as the hair color, of course, because I'm loving it, hair texture, the length, and all of that. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.